Hello. Belgium. Belgium is a sovereign state. It borders the North Sea in the north. It borders France in the west and south, the Netherlands in the north, Germany in the east, Luxembourg in the southeast, and it has two principal linguistic groups. The Flemings speak Flemish, a type of Dutch. They live in the north. The Walloons speak French. They live in the south. There is a small group of German speakers in the East Cantons in the High Fens area that borders Germany. In the north, they speak Flemish. In the south, they speak French. And then the German-speaking districts of Liège province are here. There are three main geographical regions: the coastal plain in the northwest, the central plateau, the Ardennes uplands in the southeast, and the Paris Basin in the southern tip. The national dishes are fried mussels. Here you can see the fried mussels. Fried mussels. French fries with mayonnaise. With mayonnaise and steak and French fries. And for national dessert, the national dessert is waffles. Belgium is famous for its beer and chocolate too. Ghent. The Grasslei is in the old city of Ghent. It is situated in the Flemish region. It is the second largest city after Antwerp in Flanders province. It lies on the rivers Scheldt and Lier. It is a port and university city. Ghent is famous for its festival held annually. The important museums are the Museum of Fine Arts with paintings by Hieronymus Bosch, Peter Paul Rubens and other Flemish masters. City Museum for Contemporary Art with works by Joseph Bayosand and Andy Warhol. Bruges is the largest city and capital of the province of West Flanders. It is in the northwest. The city centre is a World Heritage Site of UNESCO. It has many canals and is called the Venice of the North. It is also an important port city and it has an elite university. There are also many medieval buildings like the Church of Our Lady. You can see Michelangelo's Madonna and Child in the transept here. Our Lady has a 13th century belfry which houses 48 bells. The Béguinage, a type of convent for religious women. The Groningen Museum with a large collection of Flemish primitives. Flemish masters like Hans Memling and Jan van Eyck lived in Bruges. Liège. It is situated in Wallonia in the valley of the Meuse River in the east. It is the principal economic and cultural centre of the region. The panorama of the city of Liège. And here we have the stairway of the Montagne de Béarn, St. Paul's Cathedral, Palace of, this is the Palace of Prince Bishops of Liège here. The main museums here in Liège are the Museum of Modern and Contemporary Art, the Museum of Walloon Art and Religious Art. The Grand Curtius Museum houses collections of Egyptology, weaponry, archaeology and art. The city holds two famous festivals. The 15th of August festival with the procession and food and drink. St. Nicholas Festival around the 6th of December, organised by and for the students at the university who beg for money for drinking. Liège has a great nightlife. The Bat outdoor market held on a Sunday sells food, clothes and snacks. It has the Liège Royal Philharmonic Orchestra, and there are also the Electro Rock Festival and Jazz Festival held annually. There is a large Italian community in Liège. Brussels is the capital city. In Brussels, both French and Flemish are spoken. The annual Floral Carpet Festival is held in the Grand Palace Square. All the flowers are begonias. Bye-bye.